Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone's doing great. If this is a new face that you're seeing, then let me just quickly introduce myself. My name is Vidya. I create beauty and lifestyle content. If that is something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. In today's video, I am going to share my mascara routine. Did you even notice I don't have any mascara on? So I'm going to show you how I achieve those long, beautiful lashes. If that is something that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, the first thing you'll need is an eyelash curler, and this is from Arte. And this is such a great quality curler for the price it's available at. I think it's about 170 or 175 rupees, and I'm surprised it works so well. And yeah, you'll need an eyelash curler. Next, all you need is a mascara, and I'm going to use two different mascaras. The first one is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. So this one basically lengthens your lashes and also separates it and slightly curls your lashes because of how the wand is. I'm going to quickly show you how the wand looks. So it has a slight bend, if you all can see, which helps in slightly curling the lashes. And the other one I'm going to use is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This gives it that volume. I've really been enjoying this mascara as well. I have filmed this routine for my Instagram as well. There I have used the dupes for these two of an affordable option, and I've filmed it for my Instagram. And this is more of a pricier option, and if it's all up to you according to the budget you're looking for. So I thought, okay, I've used the affordable option for my Instagram, so I will share the same routine here on YouTube with a more pricier option. And these two are really great if you're looking for mascaras and you have a budget that you can spend on them, then why not? These two are great. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is curl my lashes, and you can also do another step right here, which is to use a blow dryer on the eyelash curler. I personally don't recommend it. It's going to damage your lashes, but just in case if you feel like you want your lashes to be curled throughout the day, then you can go ahead and do that step. I don't do it. I hardly keep my makeup for about maybe 5 hours, 5-6 hours, and it stays 5-6 hours. This technique stays. More than that, it's definitely going to fall down. So I personally don't recommend it, but it's totally up to you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is curling the lashes, and I'm also going to have a mirror handy so that I can see every lash. So make sure every eyelash is inside the curler, and press about 4 to 5 times. I think that's more than enough. So once I finish doing it for about 4 or 5 times, I come halfway out and curl it again, and then go again back to the lash line and curl the whole thing, and just press it using the curler. Look at the difference that it made. Oh, my eyes is watering. Anyways, that's gonna happen anyways, but look at the difference it made. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the other eye. Alright, my lashes are nicely curled now, and I'm going to use the first mascara. This is the Benefit one, and this helps in separating your lashes and also gives you that length. So I'll make sure that I use it properly and make sure that the product is there on every lash. So wiggle your wand slightly, because that way it keeps all the lashes separate and the product is applied neatly. Also, don't miss out the corners. because there are lashes that you can't even see. They'll be super thin in the corner. Can you see that? You won't even notice that you have lashes there with your naked eyes. So once you coat them, they're visible. Once I finish with the first mascara, I use a volumizing mascara. You guys, it can be any mascaras that you already own. You don't have to use the specific one, but I recommend this because they're really good. So I focus the volumizing mascara towards the roots, and okay, I might look a little weird here, but I'm sorry. I hope you all can see the difference that made. Whenever I do this, my usual mascara routine, people always think that I am wearing falsies. I am not wearing falsies. This is what I do, that it makes it look like falsies, but I like to keep it natural and just accentuate my natural lashes. I don't prefer lashes actually on an everyday basis. Maybe for an event, but not on an everyday basis. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So it's already curled. Also, make sure the wand goes exactly according to your lash growth. That is very important. Like for example, if your hair is growing towards this direction, then pull your mascara wand in that direction, so that it's going to be divided and it's going to look feathery throughout your eye. Okay, now with the second mascara to give you that volume. So once you are done with both the mascaras, just take your eyelash curler and just press it on the lashes and let them dry. It takes about 30 seconds to dry. So just keep doing this. It's going to stay curled for a really long time. Now I'm going to take the same mascara and use it on both my lower lashes. A volumizing mascara makes a lot of difference for your lower lash line than a regular basic mascara. Like I just said, look at the difference it made. So these two mascaras work really well to achieve this kind of lashes. And if you feel like, no, I have a budget just for one mascara, I don't want to have too many mascaras, it's not my thing, then I have a solution for you. So this one is from Colorbar, and I initially picked up this for my mom, trying it out on the Colorbar counter, and then I was like, okay, I should give it a try, and then I bought it. And this works exactly like these two mascaras. So also I just want to tell you that this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. So this has two different wands. So one is this one. This is for the lengthening effect that I was talking about, and the other wand is for more of a volumizing your lashes. So this has two different ones and it works so similar to these two. Sometimes I'm like, I just pick this and do it just in case I don't find where these are, but this is also a great one. I'm gonna leave the links of all this in the description. If you are willing to try these, give it a try and let me know what you thought of it. Alright you guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved watching this video as much as I love creating this for you guys. And yes, do comment down below what you think of this video. If you want to watch something else, please do comment down below so that it's easier for me to create them. Yes, I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. See you. Bye bye.